Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy right now, but we're gonna be doing something pretty fun today. I'm gonna be trying out this temporary hair color. This is in the color copper. I've actually never colored my hair before in my life, so this is pretty exciting. So let's get into it. And as you know, on my channel, when it comes to hair, everything starts with a wash. So alright, let's begin. I have this around my neck because I'm pretty sure it stains. I just have some water in this spray bottle. Just making sure to get it saturated. I'm just gonna apply some leave-in conditioner. Also, after reading the instructions, I realized that this is gel. I didn't know that it was gel, so that's why I applied leave-in conditioner first. You have to do a whole lot. Okay, so if you're gonna put in leave-in conditioner first, I would recommend not doing a lot, maybe just a little bit. If you put a lot, it will start to clump up. I'm not sure if you can see it, kind of like that. Now I know why everyone just applies it straight to their hair. I think it turned out pretty well. I like it. Let's go. We've made it to the Olive Garden.